All right, here we go. Welcome. I promise you, this is going to be an exciting experience for you guys and for me. Uh, just a few persons actually do this with their courses, actually walking people through the entire process. Okay, so you see results live. You see me go into my ad account to see how I do. I actually play with my ads. I actually optimize my ads. All I do, you see the whole entire process play out. This is going to be amazing, I promise you. And so, what I need you to do is pay attention to everything that you are going to learn here, and that is going to actually help you in your journey as you start your e-commerce business. Now, when you're getting into e-commerce, there are three important things that I have always talked about. Number one, your audience or your market. Okay, number two, your product. Okay, number three, your advertising or your marketing. Okay, these three things are very important. Of course, you cannot go ahead with business management. Of course, if you are not successful in your e-commerce business, there won't be any business to manage after all. So, your audience, your products, your marketing, these are key factors. It's very important you get this right, because if you don't get this right, you are going to fail. Okay, you will be unsuccessful with your venture. So it's important that you get this right. Okay, so if you're just getting started with your e-commerce business, you have to take your market very seriously. All right, for those persons who are still confused about your market and all that, the thing you can do is go into your product research. So if you go into the members area and you look at the product research module, you're going to see all sort of methods that are put right here. But the first thing you need to take care of, or you need to understand, are the criteria for selecting a product. It is very important that you look into this. Okay, it's important that you watch this video so you understand the criteria for choosing a product. It helps you, keeps you focused on what to actually look out for. All right, so um, if you've gone through that video, you will understand that um, one thing you want to do is to make sure that you sell product that solves a problem. Okay, you want to sell product that solves a problem. You don't just want to go out there and pick a product. All right, so you want to sell products that solve problems. You want to sell products that caters to people's emotion. Okay, so there are emotional benefits. So for instance, we are going to be selling a product, okay, that caters to people's emotion before. But first, let's just quickly look at some product. I'm on AliExpress right now. Let's just browse to the homepage right here. So look at this product. This product is solving a problem, a real life problem. People have bad teeth. They want their teeth to be white so they can have a good smile. Okay, for their self-esteem. All right. So while he's having a functional benefit, of course, it's clearing your teeth and making your teeth look all white. Of course, it's going to give you more confidence, which is an emotional benefit, right? And it is a problem for a lot of people. So this is a product that you should look into. The type of product you should look into. Another one is this. This is a camera. People want to feel safe. Okay, people want to feel safe. People want their family safe. They want to know what's going on. All right. Look on, this is another one. Okay, this is a pro. People want to have bigger bonbon, bigger booties, right? So that's feeling of, they want to feel attractive, they want to be noticed. They know that these are emotional benefits. This is a real life problem. Of course, people who have flat backside want it bigger, right? So this is a product that solves the problem, and it has emotional benefit to it, right? So that's this to that. Okay, look at this. Yeah, people want to grow their hair. People who have hairs that are thinning, all right, they want it fuller. Okay, so that is a product that is solving a problem. Okay, so you want to sell products like this that solves real life problems. All right, sell product that solve real life problems. Another thing you want to look at is you want to make sure that the products, they are not pricey. All right, so look at this product, $3. Of course, this is a fair price, right? This is something you can sell for 10 to 15,000 naira, right? So that's a good that should give you a good profit margin, by the way. If you look at this is selling for $2.40. Look at these is selling for, yeah. So this tells you these are some of the criteria. So what you want to do is to make sure that you go through these criteria and understand what you look for. You want to make sure that you don't sell or pick products that are heavy. You don't want to pick products that are heavy. You don't want to pick products that have different colors. It's going to be difficult for you to actually start selling such products with different sizes. It was one of the reason why I advise people against people selling shoes and clothes and all those type of products. All right, so you want to make sure that you pick products like this. So I have gone ahead. There was a time I was going through my Facebook timeline, which is one of the product research method that I have out there, right? So I was going through my timelines a certain day and I came across a product just the way this is like an ad, right? So I came across a product. Okay, it's called a V-shape mask. Let me see. V-shape mask. All right, so this is the product right here. Okay, this is the product right there. It helps to slim down people with chubby faces, with round faces. Of course, that's a problem. A lot of people don't like this really round face and all that. They want it to look slimmer. They want because they want to look like models, right? So, of course, there are people who want to have such a face to have them look more attractive and all of that. Okay, and the product is very lightweight. Okay, so I'm going to pick this product. I'm going to go through the entire process. Okay, I've sold hundreds of this product. I'm going to show you the result I've had so far. So I'm going to go into my ad account and show you all that. But before then, I want to tell you now. Let's just analyze this product, and you can see that it's a product that it's actually solving a real life problem. It is. You're seeing results, right? So it's giving you functional benefit. It's giving you something, right? That emotional benefit of looking like a model, looking more attractive, like looking younger, right? That's the emotional benefit, and it's lightweight, okay, and it's very cheap, okay. The product is at about $1, right? Okay, so it's a product that is easily sold for 8,000 to 10,000 naira, and you have lots of people actually buying it, right? So is a definition of a product. Okay, it's an example of a product that solves a problem and that actually passes our criteria. Okay, so before you go ahead and choose a product to even test, you want to make sure that you do what it passes the criteria. Okay, so you want to make sure that you actually understand the criteria. So be sure to do yourself the favor and watch this video. Do yourself the favor and watch the video. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take you to my ad account to show you the previous result that I've had so far with this product itself. And of course, after that, then I take you through the entire process. Okay, setting up the pages, building your videos. So I'm going to walk you through the entire process, and we're going to see how it turns out.
All right, so this V-shape mask is product that I've sold in the past. I've sold over 600 pieces of this product, and of course, not just me. I've given this product to so many other persons to sell, and they've sold a ton of it. So this tells you that it's a product that's actually already saturated. All right, but we are going to still go through the process of actually promoting this product, so you see how you do it across any other product that you find. Okay, you can see right here on this ad account, 76 to something 150 something adds to carts. Okay, these are purchases. Okay, now I've spent over 500,000 naira, okay, promoting this product alone. On this ad account, you can see that over 300,000 naira was spent on this ad account. Okay, so I've spent lots of money promoting this product, and I've made lots of money promoting this product. Okay, across other ad accounts. Okay, there are other ad accounts that I have promoted this product on, and there are other persons who have promoted this product as well with great positive response, with great feedbacks. All right, but so you can see that this product is already saturated, but we are going to still promote this saturated product. All right, this tells you that you can promote any other product. I'm not saying that you should go ahead and promote saturated products. Promote products that are not already so rampant. Okay, so if I can do this with a saturated product, just imagine what you could do with a product that is yet to be saturated. All right, so let's get down to it and see how the whole thing plays out. Okay, so let's get to it.